I've been using the program for about 8 months now. I've lost 26 pounds. I feel absolutely amazing. My name is Krestsna. I'm from San Diego, California, and I am 35 years old. Before Wellvolution, my lifestyle was very sedentary. I was not active at all. I was pre-diabetic. I didn't really put too much thought into what I was eating. My son kept pulling me because he wanted me to play. I was so tired and exhausted, and I knew I couldn't get up. Just the heartbreak that I saw in his eyes, it made me realize that I needed to make a change. So I actually stumbled upon the Wellvolution program when I was on the Blue Shield website. I was kind of skeptical, and when I got more information about how specialized it would be to me, I felt more confident. So I figured, why not give this a try? The program that I decided to go with when I started Wellvolution was Digbi Health. I was able to schedule calls with my coach at my convenience, and I was able to look at their calendar from an app on my phone. It was a very convenient app, and it was very flexible to my own lifestyle. One of the features of the app is a menu. So it gives me different recipes, what I can cook, what the nutrition values are for every meal. I made so many incredible changes. I started to eat a lot more vegetables. My husband has been eating better, and both my kids have been eating better as well. Them growing up, vegetables are just going to be a part of their life. We go for family walks every day. Even though my kids are little, they've been able to keep up with it the entire time, and they're an inspiration to me. My husband and I would take the kids to a park and we would have a water gun fight. It feels good to be able to run around with them. I used to just be on the sidelines. Wellvolution is your answer. This will most likely be the last program that you'll ever need to try. The program has given me a new lease on life, and I really look forward to the future and spending even more time with my family.